wabarakatuh. My name is Rifa Pradityana. I will explain about narrative essay. Narrative comes from the word narration, which has a meaning of telling a story or event. Narrative is a series of sentences that are narrative or descriptive. In another sense, narrative is said to be prose where subject is a series of events. Narrative at least contain elements of the title, orientation, complication, and resolution. In English, narrative use the past tense because it is in nature that it tells of events that have occurred in the past. Narrative tells of events or events in a time series that is complex or often very complex because of the goal is the entertain of readers. The story told is an unreal story and only author's imagination, while the recount is a text that tells of events that have occurred in a relatively simple time series. This is because the recount text aims to explain the events that occurred. The events that are told in the recount text are real events that happen. Narrative text structure. A. Orientation. The author makes sentences that describe the setting of time, place, explanation of the character and their character. Narrative text tells the point of view of each character. B. Complication in the narrative text. There are important events or events. This event is told in detail, starting from the causes, triggers to the emergence of conflicts between characters. This conflict causes other event to reach its climax. C. Resolution. The third structure tells the story conflicts that is decreasing. Then the conflict that be resolved. D. Reorientation. The fourth structure in the closing of the text. In the narrative text, the closing conveys the moral message of the story. However, reorientation is optional and may not present in the text. How to make narrative text? 1. Determine the theme of the first step that must be done is the determine the theme for a story. For example, you want to make a fiction, non-fiction, or inspiration story. Create a theme in advance and the message you want to convey. 2. Target reader. Narrative text is divided into several types such as informative, artist, and suggestive narratives. After determining the theme, determining the right target for the reader. For example, fable story for children, age 7 years romantic story for teenager, 3 all of the sequence of event. The next step is to create a series of event or events. Make divisions such as opening, development, and ending. Number 4, create details and explanation. After determining the sequence of event is a chosen manner. Make a detailed description of the main event. This series of detail makes it easier for writers to make supporting stories. 5. Arrange schema narrative text. Narrative text for fiction requires the characters, plot, settings, time, place, and point of view. Composing this scheme is important to create an interesting storyline. Number 6. Understand persuasion. Make sure after making the narrative text pay attention to the rules of punctuational and appropriate sentence. If the punctuational and sentence rules are wrong, it can confuse the reader. Oke, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.